3 guns, masks, and army fatigues seized while 4 men have been taken into custody in Westmoreland.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
The Westmoreland police have taken 4 persons into custody in connection with the seizure of 3 illegal firearms during 2 separate incidents in the parish on Saturday. During the first incident at about 5 p.m, 2 men were held during a joint police-military operation in Hartford in the parish, following the seizure of a Glock 17 pistol with a magazine and 17 rounds of ammunition. In the second instance, at about 11:45 p.m, 2 men were taken into custody after a 9mm Ruger pistol with a magazine and 3 rounds of ammunition, and another 9mm pistol with a magazine and 17 rounds of ammunition were seized in Little London. Following Saturday's detention of the 4 persons in connection with the recovery of the 3 illegal firearms, on Sunday morning, police in the same parish took a man into custody following the seizure of a number of masks and military fatigues. The mask and military type uniform and other items were seized during a joint police-military operation in Kings Valley, Grangeville in the parish. The Westmoreland police are investigating the developments. Over recent months, the parish has seen a spike in shootings and murders, which are said to have been perpetrated by rival gangs. Following the dramatic killing of 7 persons and the shooting and injuring of 10 others within less than 24 hours in Grangeville some weeks ago, the security forces have stepped up operations in the parish.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. Teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.